I was very pleased to be a participant of the Revenue Management Conference organized by WeYield in Berlin. We will listen to different experiences coming from different countries or different continents. This alone puts in perspective or focuses on some areas in the business that we still need to tackle and that will help us elevate the experience we had.
I realized that revenue management matters so much for the company, for customers, especially for customers, and I realized everybody who was talking today spoke about customers, the importance of thinking about the customers, and that's number 1 and 2 and 3 in the industry, the people.
With this type of conference, you can find out which are the right tools to go forward, where to invest, what kind of people you need that will be able to use these tools. So extremely interesting to have this type of conference because it opens up your mind on what other solutions you can find, which are definitely not the solutions of the past.
You look at revenue or yield managers as like somebody who's just behind the computer working on Excel, working on numbers, but I see in everything you do, it matters that the people and everybody works together. It's not there just in their corner, but it's about communication, it's about the customers, and it relates to everything in the business.
What I personally learned and what I would like to take back is that it's just not a matter of pricing or costing. It's also a lot of criteria that come along and that help you find the right strategy in putting the right price. Of course, the automation of systems and the systems like WeYield or Rate Highway or others, they facilitate a lot that, and they shed a light on other criteria that we need to take into consideration while we do this whole study.
What Emmanuel is doing is great. We don't have a community to exchange ideas as rent-a-car companies, especially if we're not franchisees. And that exchange of ideas is absolutely integral for the progress of the industry.
There's so many topics that were discussed today. You have to follow along the technology. You can't be afraid to try something. Just go for it, and see what happens.
All in all, the experience is great, and I really encourage people to participate because the bigger the community, the bigger the exchange of ideas, the better the results for all of us.